Now that I've added my photos to Movie Maker and I have them in the correct order, I can add captions. I'm going to start by clicking on the photo I want to caption. I can tell it's selected because it is now surrounded by a blue box. Next, I will click on Caption on the toolbar. A box will open under the photo, and a text box will appear on the larger view screen on the left. Now I type the text from my storyboard into the box on the view screen. Sometimes the text box doesn't look quite right. It might be the wrong proportion or in the wrong place, but you can fix it by clicking on the sides of the box using the two-direction arrow and dragging it into a better shape. Then you can click on the box with the four-direction arrow and drag the box to the bottom of the screen or wherever you would like it to be. With the text where I want it, I can now choose how I want it to appear on the screen. If I hover over the blue boxes on the toolbar, I can see what the caption effect will look like. I can choose no effect, fade in, stretch, or many others. As I move my cursor over each box, I can see the effect play on the view screen. I'm using a somber tone to create a spooky mood, so I'm going to use the zoom effect. It has a pretty ghostly feel to it. Okay, I'm happy with how it appears, but there's actually more that I want to say with this picture, but I don't want to have too many words on the screen. I want the picture to stay on the screen and have the words change. In order to do that, I need the picture to have a longer time on the screen, so I need to add another copy of the picture. There are two ways I can do that. I can add the picture again using the Add Photos and Video button, or I can right-click on the photo and copy and paste it. I'm going with option 2. There! Now I can add another caption. If I need to add more text, I can repeat this process as many times as I need to in order to add more. Finally, you'll notice that my text appeared in white, and it is very easy to read on the screen. Movie Maker does that automatically, but I can change it easily if I want to. I can change the font, the size, the color, or the effects, such as bold or italics. Everything I need is in the font box on the toolbar. Right now, we're only going to worry about color and size to make sure our text is legible and everyone can read it. If your text is hard to read, highlight the text and click on the A with the white line under it. It's white on my screen, but on yours it will match your text color. When I click on the font color A, I can then adjust the color to make it easier to read. I can also click on the large capital A to make the text larger, or the small capital A to make the text smaller. And that's it for captions.